Hello, sir. Welcome back, sir.
Welcome back po, sir.
Hello. Lumalaban.
Welcome back po.
Meron po tayong ano, ma. Meron po tayong food. Hindi na tayo mag-interview. Okay lang ba? Okay ka lang? Interview konti. Bukas na lang, no? Kasi alam ko naman bukas na lang. Kasi mag-visit ka man tomorrow, sir, no? Ay ano pala, Monday. Akala ko Sunday na ngayon, sir, eh. Magkonti, magsalita lang kasi bawal ka naman magsalita about kay PRRD na. Ano lang, ano yung wait lang, sir, ha? Saglit lang, sir.
As you all know, whatever, kung ano magiging usapan sa loob, I cannot disclose. And there are talks about yung nangyari daw kay PRRD na hitulak. I cannot comment on that until on Monday. I will be visiting him. So, doon ko malalaman. I will make my assessment. See,
Sir. Kailan po kayo dumating dito, sir?
kailan ba ito?
Gabi ka po, nandun kay sir.
Kapon.
I was supposed to be Friday.
Itong Friday, yung first visit mo.
Yung visit ko, but there was a miscommunication.
Okay.
So,
Wag na. Wag na lang.
anyway, Monday is my visiting
Okay.
privilege. So, I will inform whatever, but as I said, hindi ko ma-disclose lahat whatever transpired magiging usapan sa loob. So anyway, kaya kwan lang, medyo na-delay kami sa biyahe dito. I would like to again, in behalf of the siblings and myself, salamat po sa inyong andayang support kay PRRD. Salamat po.
Sir Bong, how are you coping with the weather today? How are you coping with the Dutch weather right now? Nalalamig ka? Sobrang malamig ba, sir? Yeah.
I brought my winter. Nakita ko na eh.
Sir, welcome back po dito sa The Hague, and ano po, if meron po tayong mga pagkain pa po, sir, if you want, okay pa sa inyo kumain. Okay na.
We ate along the way.
Okay. Sir, thank you po. Thank you po, sir, for coming here and for greeting the Filipino community. Kasi meron kasi kaming event kasi today is the 200th day of PRRD inside the ICT detention facility, sorry. Nagkaroon po kami ng prayer rally doon sa ICC, and after that we had a walk all the way here.
I'm sorry to miss that.
No problem, sir. It's okay.
Medyo na-delay talaga sa biyahe lang.
No problem, sir. Thank you, sir. Welcome back to the Netherlands. Meron po kayong question, mga kababayan? Sa Monday na lang, sir. Balik kami, sir.
Monday na lang.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you again sa kwan ninyo.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat.
Ayun. Si ano, sir, okay lang ba mag-picture tayo together with everyone? Yeah. Sige, doon kayo, ma'am. Doon kayo. Kasi meron kaming bagong standee ni PRRD. Doon. Doon tayo, ma'am. Sorry. Ayun. Group picture. Dito na lang ka, sir. Group picture lang tayo, guys. Okay, group picture lang tayo, guys. Dito na tayo. Okay, ready? Sige na, friend. See you, friend, ha? Ingat. Okay, maganda to. Ready? Dito, ma'am, dito. Okay, 1, 2, kuya po pala. 1, 2, 3, Duterte feast. Okay, perfect. Ganda na picture. Yeah, good. Thank you po. Ganda na picture. I-airdrop muna, wait.
Lala.
Basta na, ini-airdrop ko na. Sige, ano man ang airdrop? iPhone you? Dance? Sino? Saan yung sa'yo? Jamie.
Saan doon?
Malala po sila sa commune.